Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Canon MG2520 color photo printer. This little gem has been making waves in the tech community, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on what makes it so special. From its lightning-fast printing speeds to its incredible ink technology, this printer is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their home or office printing setup. Let's dive right into one of the key features that really impressed me, the printing speed. With the ability to print documents and web pages at speeds of approximately 8.0 images per minute for black and 4.0 images per minute for color, this printer is perfect for those who need to get their work done quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a student working on a project, a professional who needs to print out reports, or just someone who likes to stay on top of their to-do list, the Canon MG2520 has got you covered. The fast printing speeds mean you can get on with your day without having to wait around for your documents to print out. Another feature that really stands out is the full-photolithography Inkjet nozzle engineering, or FINE, technology. This patented print head firing ink droplets as small as 2 pl is what sets the Canon MG2520 apart from other printers on the market. But what does it mean for you, the user? In simple terms, it means that you'll get incredibly vivid colors and sharp text every time you print. Whether you're printing out photos, documents, or web pages, the FINE technology ensures that the output is always of the highest quality. And with the combination of dye ink for vivid colors and black pigment ink for sharp text, you can trust that your prints will look professional and polished. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about compatibility? Will this printer work with my computer or mobile device? The answer is yes. The Canon MG2520 is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Mac OS X. It's also compatible with mobile operating systems, such as Windows RT, so you can print from your tablet or smartphone with ease. This means that you can use the printer with confidence, knowing that it will work seamlessly with your existing devices. In conclusion, the Canon MG2520 color photo printer is an incredible piece of technology that is sure to meet all your printing needs. With its fast printing speeds, incredible ink technology, and wide compatibility, it's the perfect addition to any home or office. So, if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the Canon MG2520. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today and experience the power and convenience of this amazing printer for yourself. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your printing to the